Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can solve lag and hang problem in Redmi 13C. So for this, if you see that your phone is lagging or hanging and it may take some time, so all you guys have to do just go to settings and go to about phone and click 7 times here MIUI version to become a developer. Okay, now as you see we are now developer now, so go back and scroll it down to additional setting. Just click additional setting. After that scroll down to developer option, click on developer option. So scroll it down. As you see we have option of window animation scale, transition animation scale and animator duration scale. Just select it, click on animation off, select it, animation off, select this and then click on animation off, and that's it. After that just see the speed. See, this is how the phone work very frequently, and this is how we can fix or solve lagging and hanging problem in Redmi 13C device. So if this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.